Once upon a time, I saw a job on Upwork and I sent my proposal. And the client viewed the proposal, sent an invite, and asked me to write a 500-word article on a certain topic, which I did. Unfortunately, I wasn't hired because of keyword stuffing. Yeah, that's my sad story. But it doesn't have to be yours, and that is the purpose of this video. Along with what keywords is and why it matters, I'm going to be telling you how to use keywords effectively in your content, so stay tuned. Okay, so first off, what are keywords? These are words or phrases that are relevant to your article that make them rank on search engines like Google. They are words that people put out there when they're searching for information online. So say for instance, you come to Google and you want to know more on keto diet, and then you put in foods to avoid on keto diet. Yeah, those are keywords. So Google is going to scan for the most relevant article and then suggest them to you for you to read. Now, why do keywords matter? They help to improve accuracy, relevance, and understanding. They help to drive traffic to your blog or to your article or to your site. And they also help to improve SEO, that's search engine optimization. So basically, if you use the right and relevant keywords in your article, then you increase the chances of your content appearing on the first page of the search engine results or even making it to the top. Now, there are 4 types of keywords. We have the short tail keywords. They are broad and generic, and they have high level of competition. For instance, diet, workout, fitness. These are short tail keywords. And then we have the long tail keywords. They are specific and they have low level of competition. For instance, foods to avoid on keto diet, or healthy meals for diabetic patients. They are long tail keywords. And then we have the primary keywords, which are the main ingredients of your article. For instance, keto diet, fitness goals, workout sessions, they are primary keywords. And then we have the LSI keywords, or the secondary keywords, that help to support the main or the primary keywords. LSI is an acronym for Latent Semantic Index. So these are words that are semantically linked to your article. So they're not the main ones, but they help to support the main ones. For instance, if you want to create an article on keto diet, your secondary keywords could include low carbohydrates, healthy fats, unsaturated fats, avocado, olive oil, following a keto diet, and ketosis and the likes. Yes. So people argue that Google and other search engines do not really use LSI keywords to rank content. Well, some say that they do, but it totally depends on you and on what your client wants. I have a client who sends me primary keyword as well as the LSI keywords and the number of times these keywords should appear on the article. So it depends on you and what your client wants. If there is no mention of LSI keywords, then I think you can do without them. Okay, so now the question, how to use keywords effectively in your article or in your content. First, you want to think like your audience. So what this means is you need to ask yourself certain questions. Okay, if I should come online to search for a particular topic, what words am I likely to use? So let's say you're writing on keto diets. So if I'm coming online to search for keto diets, probably I'm going to put in foods to avoid on keto diet. I'm going to put in how to overcome the keto flu. I'm going to put in how to maintain ketosis, healthy fats to eat on keto diets. Yeah, so or the benefits of keto diets. So these are keywords that you can include in that article. And if you do, then the chances of your content appearing on the first page of search engine results will be pretty high. Secondly, you have to conduct keyword research with the keyword research tools. We have tools like Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, SEMrush, and Google Keyword Planner. So these tools are amazing. Not only do they help you identify the relevant keywords to use, but they also help you see the level of competition. And third, you have to use keywords naturally. You don't have to put them everywhere. Otherwise, you're going to have what we call keyword stuffing. You're going to make the same mistake I did that cost me that job. Okay, so find the strategic places, know the strategic places to place your keywords, and then let Google and other search engines do the magic. So now, what are these strategic places to put in your keywords? We have the title tags, the header tags, description tags, headers and subheadings. Talking about your H1, H2, H3. Yes, make sure keywords are included there. And then your content body. Yes, but you have to ensure that your keyword has a density of 0.5 to 2%. So you don't overdo it. And then if your work has bullet points, you want to sprinkle in your keywords there because it helps to make your content scannable. And then you also want to include your keywords in your URL address, so search engines will understand the context of your work and then suggest it to readers. And also don't forget your meta descriptions. So if you follow these tips, then you will improve in making your article rank on search engine results. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share, and drop that comment. Thank you very much. Till we meet again. Bye.